What's up guys, Next Tech here, and in this video I'm going to see the new features that Apple have implemented in Safari in iOS 6. They have added quite a few new features for Safari, not so new for like Chrome and Android users, but still new for Safari. So let's dive in and check these out. They've finally decided to let you do media uploading, and what that means is, I've already set this up. For an example, on like a photo sharing site or a site where you can upload stuff, you couldn't used to be able to pick your photos when you used to press the upload button. They've changed that, now you can. So this is just my Facebook. If you can hit the choose file button, hit the choose file button, it comes up with take photo or video or choose existing. You hit choose existing, takes you into your photos you can pick and just bam, and it'll upload straight to the post. That's nice. It's a nice feature. You couldn't do it before, so it's good that they've implemented that. That's my Facebook. Next up, you will see they've added full screen browsing. This is nice because now we've got a 4-inch display. To do this, you turn it sideways, and well, basically you'll notice that it comes up with this little arrow sign here. If you hit that, you've got your full screen browsing. It makes a big difference, you know. You can see more of the web page. It's clearer. It's more focused. It's really nice. It's what you'd want on it, to be honest with you. And it's about time that they did it. Everyone has been wanting full screen browsing for a while, and you know, it's really nice. It uses the whole screen, especially on this 4-inch display. It's great. You can really get immersed in your browsing. Another feature they've added in iOS 6 is tab syncing. So if you're an Apple ecosystem person and you've got loads of Apple devices, you can now sync your tabs across those devices. If you hit into the settings here, you can see iCloud tabs, and it uses iCloud, automatically shows all the open tabs on other devices. So if you've got Safari running on your iPad, your iPhone, or your Mac computer, they will all turn up in the cloud, a lot like Google Chrome's tabs do. They've also added a new tab limit. I'm not going to show you the new tab limit, but you used to be able to only open 8 tabs. Now you can open 24, so that's nice, a bit more multitasking, a bit better in terms of performance. They've also added the offline reader, so say you were on a website and you wanted to hit the offline reading button, so you want to save this if you're going on a train and you don't have Wi-Fi signal or 3G and you're like, oh, I really want to read this website, if you can hit the add to reading list, and you'll see in the reading lists, you can see here it says waiting, saving for offline reading, and done. So then this should be made available for offline reading, and I can show you that if I go ahead and turn off my Wi-Fi. This is on my iPod Touch, by the way, so that is the only signal I'm running with. Get rid of that. Just make it find something, hit the reader, hit all, and there you go. That's the page that you've saved, and you can now read it offline. So that's another welcome feature, and it really helps. Obviously you can hit the reader button and it gets rid of all that stuff, and it just gives you the information you want nice and clearly. Other than that though, pretty much it's just under the hood stuff, performance issues. Apple mentioned that it's actually a lot better in JavaScript performance compared to 5.1.1. So that's obvious that that's always going to happen. And if we do a HTML5 test, you can see how well it fares. And that's one thing that always annoys me about Safari. You have to use this Google thing to Google stuff. I always do that wrong. If we hit up the HTML5 test though, and the browser scores 386 and 9 bonus points. Yes, we are using Safari on iPod Touch running iOS 6. And yeah, I mean, that's out of 500, so that's a pretty good score. I mean, let's check out some other browser scores. First place, Chrome gets 437, but let's check out the mobile browsers. Okay, first is Opera Mobile, then Chrome, and then a second place, or fourth place, sorry, you can see iOS 6 coming in at 386 and 9 as bonus points. So, it has increased since iOS 5.1, so that's always good. I might just run a quick sun spider test, but these are really dependent on the device you're running it, so it's going to be faster on the iPhone 5 than on this device because it's got the A5 chip. What have I done? No. I'll start this running and I'll just skip to the end so you don't have to watch it and we can see the results, which hopefully we will get. And there we go, guys, the test is complete and we can see a result of 18.30. Like I said, this basically just tests your phone, not really the JavaScript, because it's going to be a lot faster on the iPhone 5. This pretty much gets the same score as the 4S, but it's still a very good score. So yeah, they're pretty much the features of Safari, the new features of Safari on iOS 6, sorry, and it's a welcome update. They're playing catch up a little bit, but at least they get in there. The performance is always really nice on Safari, pinch to zoom's great, all that good stuff. So yeah, see you guys later.